basically, when you come to school, it's just the same thing. You walk out of your car and you walk up the stairs and you say hi to a couple of friends, and it's just the same routine over and over and over again. You know, I come over here and I say hi to a couple of my friends, and I'm just like, why do I even come to school? It's just walking by from class to class, and I say hi to a couple of my friends and I wave goodbye, and I'm just thinking, why do I even come to class? Why even pass? But every class is so vital. Like English, I gotta learn about the adjectives and verbs, and how someday I can even make my own metaphors, and how in math I can multiply my thoughts times my pen and my paper, and maybe I can divide it by 3, and maybe one day it'll all be equal in unity. And you know, I learn about that physical education and how thoughts are just running through my mind, and they are sprinting out of my mouth, and it's actually kind of cool. And you know, I gotta use band to learn about the rhythms and sounds of different instruments, and to learn that bass clef and treble clef, top Y clef, how to drop a B. And you know, all these teachers are worrying about going to college, but it doesn't faze me because I got the knowledge.
Wait, hold on, oh. Day after day, it's the same routine. For the last 4 years, I'm finally reaching my dreams. And so college and going to knowledge, well, just to get it on the record, for all of us seniors in your college, we've already been accepted, so... I
can respect that.
Now, third period today, I did not want to watch Amadeus. So I wrote a poem. Apologize to all the AP Lit teachers, but that movie is so boring. So, my eyes are feeling heavy as I'm sitting in my class, and now like they're weighted down by lead, I'm watching clock seconds as long as hours seem to pass. And now all I hear is mumbling as Mrs. Brookins talks some math, and I'm like, yo, I don't understand logarithms, I'm much better with math. Now, my unsharpened number 2 pencil is rolling softly along my fingertips, tips like hints given to provide a glimpse towards an answer like a solution, a numerical conclusion, a theoretical assumption, an equation that's not a function. It's all hyperbolic and mixing numbers with mnemonics, and functions are conic, and I'm like, oh my god, you can tell I love hooked on phonics. Now, a parabola is on its side, so that's y equals x, and I'm thinking to myself, well, it's sleeping, so that means it's rest, and I'm like, wait a minute, that's me, so... Wait, hold up. Suddenly my synapses surge, and my neurotransmitters reemerge as I'm revitalized by the hated math that in my half-awakened state of mind I've analyzed, and my action potential is reached just like my dreams intend to be, and I'm realizing that every moment I spent here, I was learning, whether intentionally or accidentally. Now, these last 4 years spring fountains of tears as equivalent in sadness as they are in joy, as 4 years of maturity have brought me up to a man from when in 2006 I walked onto this campus as only a boy. Now, I've sat through classes and had my lectures. I learned about periodic tables and conjectures, and it's funny how every day I've been, and every moment that I've spent, and every friend that I've met, whether Gabe, Pam, Imani, Francisco Suave, or maybe even Yvette, has developed me into someone and something greater than I could have ever been on my own. So no man is an island, nothing's not worth trying. And now, seniors, as we round that bend and we reach that finish line and we see the end of our race, I got one thing to say, like it or not, I love being here, and I'm gonna miss this place.